Connection partners, thank you for joining us for our 25th annual Contractor Connection Restore Conference and Expo.
It is so great to see everybody this time of year. You guys know this is my favorite time of year where we can get together.
Join us on the next 25 years with Contractor Connection. It's going to be a journey that is going to turn our vision into reality.
Meeting a lot of people, networking and learning new stuff.
A lot of people here, a lot of experience, a lot of value, just soak up stuff like a sponge. It's Contractor Connection, duh.
The keynote speaker was awesome. I was tearing up at the end, but it was amazing.
There's a difference between the best people and the right people. It is not the talent, it is the content of the people that you're with.
Energy's been really high. A lot of opportunities to network and really just share information, how we could be successful with the program.
I'm really looking forward to networking, meeting some like-minded professionals, and learning from the industry and some of our clients.
The expo was great. Got to see a lot of programs, processes, and tools that they were offering.
It's nice to see a fresh perspective from some of the carrier participation.
Looking forward to taking some policies and procedures back and implementing those.
I love being able to hear what's going on, what new technology is out there to be able to help support the industry.